Commonwealth of Nations, which has evolved from the British Empire, is the largest voluntary association of nations the world has ever seen. It consists of
Never really sprung like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. Never really sprung like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. I know it's a lot to take in, but there's something here if I'm not mistaken. Unusual feeling is just unimpressed, but I'm scared just to ask you if you're not taking. I need everything in front of me. I breathe to give you what you want from me. A little bit of time now we get so true. That little bit of time I wanna spend with you. I know you're right from me. I know, don't hide from me. You got good energy, so
all these territories enjoy full self-government and an equal status in all aspects of their democratic and external affairs. They are united by voluntary association with the Commonwealth, in which the United Kingdom is an equal member. They recognize the king as head of the Commonwealth, although republics do not accept him as their own sovereign. Zimbabwe was suspended from the Commonwealth in 2002 following reports of human rights abuses and election rigging during the 2002 presidential elections. In response to the suspension and the criticism from other Commonwealth members, Zimbabwe's then president, Robert Mugabe, announced the country's withdrawal from the organization in 2003. In recent years, Zimbabwe has shown interest in rejoining the Commonwealth. While the process for rejoining is ongoing, it requires approval from the Commonwealth member countries, and Zimbabwe must meet the criteria set by the organization, including adherence to the Commonwealth's values of democracy, human rights, and the rule of law.